Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Chan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6b from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So coming to question number 16, the value of expression mx minus ny is 3 when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6, and its value is 8 when x equals to 6 and y equals to 5. Find the values of m and n. Over here we have to use the method of elimination by equating coefficients. That is, दोनों equations में कोई भी एक variable लो, either y or x, and we have to make their coefficients same, okay, and then you will add or subtract the equations and solve. So over here the expression is given to us, okay, so directly नहीं दिया है equation, we have to form the equation over here, okay. Value of expression mx minus ny is 3. That is, I can say mx minus ny is equal to 3 when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6. So okay, so x की जगह पे I can substitute 5 and y की जगह पे I can substitute 6 over here, okay. So this will become m into 5 minus n into 6 is equal to 3. So 5m minus 6n is equal to 3. Okay, so we got one equation. Okay, it is in the required form. Variables should be in LHS and number in RHS. No decimals, no fractions. Okay, so it is in the required form. Now we need one more equation, okay, and its value is 8 when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. So किसका value? Expression का value, okay. So this is equal to 8 when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. So mx minus ny is equal to 8, okay. Is 8 means is equal to 8 when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5, okay. So we'll substitute the value of x and y, okay. So m into 6 minus n into 5 is equal to 8. So 6m minus 5n is equal to 8. This is the other equation. Got it? So it was very easy. They have given you the expression, values दिया हुआ है, okay, we just need to substitute the values and get the equations. Now we have to find the value of m and n. Very easy. We have two equations in m and n. We have to find their value. Now if you check both the equations over here, 5m 5n, 6n 6m, what is happening? The coefficients are interchanged over here. 5m में था 5n में आ गया, 6n में था 6m में आ गया, okay. So in such a case we will use ASA method. First we'll add the two equations, then we'll subtract the two equations, and then जो add करके equation मिला है, subtract करके equation मिला है, उन दोनों को add करेंगे, okay. So first adding, then subtracting, and then जो दो equations मिला है that we'll add, okay. You can also use the method where we will make the coefficients equal, but instead this is an easier method, okay. So you can even make coefficients equal, या तो m का या n का, okay. This you need to multiply by 6 and this you need to multiply by 5. Again you will get two equations and that you will add or subtract, okay. So you can solve using that method also, but I'll be using ASA method. So adding the two equations first. So adding 1 and 2. 5m minus 6n is equal to 3 and 6m minus 5n is equal to 8. 5m plus 6m, it will give 11m. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11n. And 8 plus 3, 11. I can take 11 common over here. So 11 common लेके in bracket I'll get m minus n is equal to 11. Shifting 11 over here, 11 by 11. So that will give m minus n is equal to 1. This is equation number 3. Now we'll get one more equation by subtracting these two equations. So subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, does not matter. Okay, so I'll be subtracting 2 from 1. So I'm subtracting 2, so I'll write 2 later on. पहले 1 लिखो. Okay. Now since we are subtracting, the signs will change. Okay. So positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, and positive becomes negative. So ये equation में signs change हो जाएगा. Okay. 3 minus 8 gives minus 5. Okay. Minus 6n plus 5n, that is 5 minus 6 क्या होता है? Minus 1. So minus n. Okay. Or you can write minus 1n, does not matter. 5m minus 6, 5m minus 6m, that will give minus m. Okay. So all the terms here are negative. What I can do is I can make them positive multiplying by minus 1. Okay. So multiplying by minus 1. You can keep it as it is also. Okay. Then you can just add these two equations. Does not matter. But I'll be multiplying and making it positive. So it will become m plus n is equal to 5. Okay. So signs will change. जो भी negative है सब positive हो गया. Now this is equation 4. Now we just need to add. So add, subtract, add method ASA. First we added these two equations, then we subtracted these two equations. Now जो नया equation मिला है उन दोनों को add करेंगे. So adding equations 3 and 4. So m minus n is equal to 1 and m plus n is equal to 5. This will get cancelled. 2m is equal to 6. So m is equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3. Okay. Now we need to find the value of n. So we'll just substitute the value of m in 3 or 4. You can also substitute in 1 or 2, but we have numbers over here. Okay. यहाँ पे there are less numbers, so it would be easier to solve. So instead I would suggest 3 या 4 में substitute करके solve करो. Okay. So substituting m equal to 3 in 3. So 3 minus n is equal to 1. So minus n is equal to 1 minus 3. So it is minus 2. So n is equal to 2. So write down the final answer. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Box the answer. Coming to next question, question number 17. Now we have to solve this. There are two equations given. First we have to bring the equations in the required form, that is variables in LHS and number in RHS. Okay. So we'll solve the first equation. 11 into x minus 5 plus 10 into y minus 2 plus 54 is equal to 0. So let's open the brackets. 11x minus 55 plus 10y minus 20 plus 54 is equal to 0. Let's shift x and y on one side and let's solve these numbers. So 11x plus 10y minus 55 minus 20. So minus minus, we are going to add these numbers. So that will give minus 75. Okay. Minus 75 plus 54. So minus 75 plus 54. That is, we'll just subtract 75 minus 54. कितना होगा? That will give me 21. Okay. But negative 21 because greater number is negative. So minus 21. Shifting 21 over here, it will become positive. Okay. So this is equation number 1. Now similarly we'll bring this in the required form. Okay. So 7 into 2x minus 1 plus 9 into 3y minus 1 is equal to 25. So opening the brackets, 14x minus 7 plus 27y minus 9 is equal to 25. X and y, let's bring it on one side and -7 -9 will give -16. Shifting -16 over here, we'll get +16. That will give 41. Okay. So over here we got two equations. Second step, we have to make the coefficients equal. First check if they are equal, then we don't need to make them equal, but if they are not, coefficients को equal करना है. So x का 11 and 14 है and y का 10 and 27 है. So it depends which one you want to make equal. Okay, I'll make y का coefficients equal. Okay, so 10 and 27 है. So I need to make this, I'll multiply by 27 and this I'll multiply by 10. Okay, 10 and 27 का LCM क्या हो जाएगा, 270 होगा. There is nothing common in 10 and 27. Okay, so 10 into 27 gives 270. So this I need to multiply by 27 and this I need to multiply by 10. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 by 27. Okay, I am making y का coefficients same. So 27 into 11x plus 10y is equal to 21. 27 into 11. So that gives 297. This will give 270 and 27 into 21. So this will give 27. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5. So 567 हो जाएगा. Okay, this is equation 3. Now 2 का भी same करना है. I need to make this 270. So I'll multiply by 10. So multiplying equation 2 by 10. So 10 into 14x plus 27y is equal to 41. This is very easy. 10 से multiply कर रहे हैं, zeros लग जाएगा. So 140x plus 270y is equal to 410. Okay. Now third step, what we will do? Check the signs of the coefficient. Are they same? If they are same, you will subtract the equations. If they are different, that is opposite, you will add the equations. Okay, so here the signs are same, plus 270 plus 270, so you will subtract the two equations. Okay, so on subtracting, this will get cancelled. Okay, so let's subtract the two equations. You can subtract 3 from 4 or 4 from 3. I am subtracting 4 from 3. So 3 बाद में लिखा है तो पहले 3 को लिखो. Okay, the one that is written at the end, that you will write first, and जिसको subtract करे that you will write afterwards. So 297 plus 270y is equal to 567. Okay, and 140x, x I forgot to write over here, plus 270y is equal to 410. We are subtracting this. So the signs will change in second equation. Positive, negative हो जाएगा, positive, negative, positive becomes negative. Had there been any negative, it would become positive. Okay. Now this will get cancelled. 297 minus 140. So this will give 157x. Over here again we are getting 157. So x is equal to 157 by 157, that is x is equal to 1. Fourth step, we will substitute the value of x in either of the equations. Okay, so obviously we will not substitute in this, we have big numbers over here. Instead substitute in 1 or 2. Okay, so I will substitute in 1. So substituting x equal to 1 in equation number 1. So 11x, that is 11 into 1 plus 10y is equal to 21. So 10y is equal to 21 minus 11, that is 10y is equal to 10. So y is 1. So write down the final answer after this. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Both the values we are getting as 1. Let's solve the next question, question number 18. Now there is again a pair of equations given and we have to solve. First one is 7 plus x by 5 minus 2x minus y by 4 is equal to 3y minus 5. First thing, minus sign है यहाँ पे, so put brackets. Okay, so if you will forget the brackets, signs will go wrong. Okay, now first we'll take LCM. Okay, so multiply this by 4 and this by 5. Basically I'm going to do crisscross method. Okay, so 4 I'll multiply by this, 5 I'll multiply by this, and then I'll multiply the denominators. So 4 into 7 plus x minus 5 into 2x minus y upon 5 into 4. Okay, it is like LCM only, is equal to 3y minus 5. So 28 plus 4x minus 10x minus plus 5y upon 20 is equal to 3y minus 5. So we'll get 28 minus 6x plus 5y is equal to, shifting 20 over here, so minus 6x plus 5y plus 28 is equal to 60y minus 100. Okay, shifting y over here, minus 6x minus plus 5y minus 60y, shifting 28 over here, minus 100 minus 28, so we'll get minus 6x minus 55y is equal to minus 128. All are negative, let's make it positive. So we'll multiply by minus 1. So multiplying by minus 1, it will become 6x plus 55y is equal to 128. Mark this as 1. Similarly, we'll find equation number 2. Okay, now for the second one, we'll multiply by 3 over here. Okay, so multiply and divide by 3. Because we'll make this 6, 2 3s are 6, so we'll multiply in both numerator and denominator. Okay, so this will become 15y minus 21 plus 4x minus 3 by 6 is equal to 18 minus 5x. So 4x plus 15y and minus 21 minus 3 becomes minus 24. Shifting 6 over here. Okay, so this will be 108 minus 30x, shifting x over here and number over here. Okay, variables LHS में, number RHS में. So for 4x plus 30x. Okay, so 108 plus 24, this will become 34x plus 15y is equal to 132. We had solved equations with same numbers earlier. Okay, I don't remember the question, but same numbers tha. We had solved this earlier. So this is equation 2. Equation 1 we already got. Now what we need to do, we need to make coefficient of x equal or y equal. Clearly they are not equal. Okay, so equal करना पड़ेगा. Take LCM. Okay, so 15 and 55 का LCM लेंगे. We have already done this kind of question. 15 and 55 का LCM 165 होगा. Okay, so both are divisible by 5. 5 3s are, 5 11s are. 3 1s are, and 11 will remain as it is. 11 1s are. Okay, so now we got 1 1. This is LCM, 5 into 3 into 11. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 15 into 11, that is 165. Okay, so 165 is LCM. सो यहाँ पे y का कोएफिशिएंट वी आर मेकिंग सेम. So 15 into how much will give me 165? 15 into 11. Okay, so I need to multiply this entire equation by 11 and this by how much? 55 into 3. Okay, so 55 into 3 will give 165. So I'll need to multiply this by 3. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 by 3. So 3 into 6x plus 55y is equal to 128. So 18x plus 165y, 128 into 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 and 3 1s are 3, 384 हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Similarly 2 को multiply करेंगे. 15 into how much gives 165? 15 into 11. So multiplying equation 2 by 11. So 11 into 34x plus 15y is equal to 132. So 11 into 34. So this will give 374. Okay. 165y is equal to 132 into 11. So 1452. Now coefficients equal हो गया. Third step क्या करेंगे? Check the sign of the coefficient. Is it same? Yes. Plus 165 plus 165. Sign is same. You will subtract the equations, and if it is opposite, you will add. Okay. So same होगा, same. तो subtract, and if it is opposite, you will add. Okay. So different signs होगा तो add करना है. So subtracting equation 3 from 4. Now 4 से subtract करें तो पहले 4 लिखेंगे. So 374x plus 165y is equal to 1452 and 3 we'll write now. So 3 is 18x plus 165y is equal to 384. Now we are subtracting. So signs of the second equation will change. Positive है तो negative हो जाएगा. ये भी positive है negative हो जाएगा. ये भी positive है negative हो जाएगा. Signs opposite हो जाएगा. Had there been any negative, it would become positive. This will get cancelled. 374 minus 18. So this will be. So we'll get 6, 5, 3. Okay, and over here we'll get. So 601. Okay, so x is equal to 1068 upon 356. So 356 into 3. Okay, you can check. So x is equal to 3. Now y का value. So substitute this value in either of the equations 1, 2, 3, 4. किसी में भी substitute कर सकते हैं. I will substitute in 1. Okay, so substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1. So 6 into 3 plus 55y is equal to 128. So 55y is equal to 128 minus 18. Okay, so 55y is equal to 110. So y is equal to 110 by 55. So that is nothing but 2. Okay, so y is equal to 2. We found the value of x and y. Just write down the final answer. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Coming to next question, question number 19. Now again we have to solve. There are two equations given to us. First we have to bring the equations in the required form, that is ax plus by is equal to minus c, x and y in LHS and number in the RHS. Okay, so we need to solve this. We'll multiply and divide by 8 over here. LCM लेंगे. First we'll solve the LHS. So 4x into 8 upon 8 plus x minus y by 8 is equal to 17. Okay, so 32x by 8 plus x minus y by, I can take common 8, okay, is equal to 17. So 33x minus y by 8 is equal to 17. Shifting 8 over here, 17 8s are, so that will give 136. Okay, this is equation 1. Similarly, we'll solve this one. So we'll multiply and divide by 3 over here. Okay, so put brackets, multiply and divide by 3. So 3 into 2y plus x upon 3 minus 5y plus 2 by 3. Now one thing, put brackets. Minus sign hai, the signs will change over here. Okay, so make sure you put the bracket first. Okay, whenever you see negative sign, put brackets over here. Okay, so here positive था इसलिए हम लोग ने brackets नहीं डाला. Otherwise, if there is negative sign, put brackets. Okay, or else your answer won't come correct. Now over here 6y plus 3x minus 5y minus 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, minus 5y minus 2, the whole thing divided by 3. So 6y minus 5y will give y plus 3x minus 2 is equal to, shifting 3 over here, 6 हो जाएगा. Okay, so 3x plus y is equal to, shifting this, 6 plus 2 8. So we have solved this kind of question earlier also, same numbers tha. Okay, so these are repeated, they have just modified the questions and given to you. So over here we got the two equations. Okay, now we need to move on to the next step, that is y का coefficient same है already. Okay, so we don't need to make it same, so I'll be cancelling y only. 1 है. Okay, and the signs are also opposite, so I just need to add the two equations and I'll get the value of x. ठीक है, so we'll directly add the equations whenever the signs are opposite of the coefficients, then you will add the two equations. So यहाँ पे -1 है, यहाँ पे +1 है. Okay, so I'll just add the two equations and I'll get the value of x. So adding equations 1 and 2, 33x minus y is equal to 136 and 3x plus y is equal to 8. This will get cancelled. 33 plus 3 gives 36x and यहाँ पे we'll get 144. Okay, so 36 4s are, so x is equal to 4. Okay, fourth step, we will substitute the value of the variable in either of the equations and we will get the value of the other variable. Y का value बाकी है, so we'll find that value by substituting this value in either of the equations. Okay, so substituting x equal to 4 in equation 2. Okay, 2 easy लग रहा है, there are small numbers, so 3 into 4 plus y is equal to 8. So 12 plus y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8 minus 12. So we got the same values. Okay, there is one question with same values earlier, so just check that. X का value 4 मिला and y is -4. So it's very easy. 4 steps you need to follow. First, bring the equation in the standard form, that is ax plus by is equal to -c. Variables LHS में, number RHS में, no fractions, no decimals. Okay, once you get that, second step, what will you do? Check the coefficients. Coefficient same है तो you don't need to make them same. यहाँ पे y का coefficient दोनों 1 1 था. Okay, so I did not need to make them equal. If you are considering x तो करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so here you need to multiply by 11, but I considered y because already equal था. Third step, you will check the signs of the coefficient. If they are opposite, you will add. If they are same, you will subtract. Okay, so they were opposite, so I added the two equations, and once you get the value, you will substitute that value. That is fourth step. On substituting the value, you will get the value of the other variable. Okay, so we got the value of x and y.